Hi everyone. In this video, let's learn how to upload data in Power BI and fix date format issues using the locale option. First, I will open Power BI desktop by searching it from Windows search bar. So once Power BI opens, I will click on blank report to start a new project. Now I will go to the home tab and click on Get Data Text CSV to import my dataset. I will choose Superstore Dataset CSV file here, and you will see a preview of the file. And from here, I will load the dataset. As you can see, so many columns are there: customer, manufacturing, and it automatically detects it is a comma separated file. So I will load the this dataset in my Power Query editor. I will click on load. Then it gets uploaded in a couple of minutes. As you can see here on the right side, the column different columns are present in sample superstore dataset. On the uttermost left side, there is a table view. I will click on it, and you can see the data gets uploaded here. Then you will see a preview of the file from here, and I will click on transform data because I want to clean and prepare the data before any analysis. You can see other options also. I will click on transform data, and in the Power Query editor, you can see this is the Power Query editor which I have opened right now. And in the Power Query editor, I will focus on the column called order date. As you can see, its data type is currently set to text. Now I will try, if I will try to change the data type to date, you will notice that some values turn into errors. You can see here some values turn into error and some are perfectly aligned. So to fix this issue, I will reselect the order date column, and this time I will choose using locale. Here I will set the data type to date and the locale to English United States by searching here. Then I will click OK, and you will see your dates are perfectly aligned and recognized. There is no red line errors is coming right now. Same I will do with this ship date also. And that's it. You have successfully imported and cleaned your date column using the locale feature in Power BI. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more search informational videos. Thanks.